This is our team Mike for the 2017 Ford Escape oil change part 2. We already did the intro. Now we're starting the video. Give you a little clap. I did not do the focus at all. Based on where that's pointing, it looks like I'm not in the shot at all, but I know I am. I think I am. I am gonna get the creeper. This is gonna be annoying. Why do I have my keys in my pocket still? Fuck off. I gotta call Jay. I really should turn off the camera, but I'm too lazy. Kapow. All right. Under we go. Probably look like shit. So make sure you grab those and put them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Throws it just randomly on the ground. And now it's pretty much all the way out. So now I'm gonna have to just let go and then adjust the pan where it shoots. So let's see. Oh, or I'm gonna nail it. Wow. I know I haven't clapped every single time I've restarted that. You know, you can figure it out. If you're working on Premiere, like Adam and I are, I don't know who's editing this again. Like, if you're working on Premiere, you got the auto sync. It's bing, bang, boom, so easy. You don't even need to clap. Let's get down in there. All right. I hope I'm in focus. Whee! Not my best work. Not the best spacing on that. I don't know how well you can see it from there, but you know, it'll do. Now we wait. We're almost done though. I'm not touching that until it's completely 100% done though, because I want nothing. I don't want any oil on me, you know? I'm wearing this nice jacket, which I wish I could say you could get on our website, but unfortunately, you can't anymore. But there's an alternative that we work with a third-party team, you know. We do print on demand. So they do offer a new alternative to this. This one was discontinued, but the new one is much more expensive. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually swap it and put that one on the way. You know, I don't know. I don't know, man. I love this jacket. It's a really nice jacket, but the new one is different. It's not the same, so I don't know if it's worth it. Plus, like I said, it's more expensive. I don't know. It's a lot, you know? I don't know. And then you guys can let me know down in the comments if you want one of these jackets, and then I'll add it to the website. But I don't know. I don't know, man. You know, I don't know. Because I was able to do that. I'm rambling right now. I'm going to try to stop that, but this is what happens when I'm alone, you know? I just like start going off the rails. I'm tired. I want to be done. We were supposed to do this yesterday. Shit went off the rails. I want to go home. I'm done. But I'm not done yet.
How's the car?
Almost done.
That's the jacket. I know. Where'd you get your jacket?
Our website, but it's discontinued now.
Where'd you buy the jacket before you got the embroidery? Yeah, I thought you had the jacket, or someone bought the jacket and then got it.
No, we do it print on demand. So it's like it's a third party.
I don't know what I was talking about either. Anyways, that's the jacket. I know. I was like, Jason wants that jacket.
Oh, it's a nice jacket. Yeah.
I want it to say Burnout Show.
Oh!
Offended.
Rude! Did you hear that? That was fucking rude. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? I am hungry. God, I'm hungry. What time is it? It's time for food. That's what time it is. My shoes are untied because I don't tie them. Oh, get the box. Throw it up here on the car. Open the box. Slowly, not as dramatically as I thought I was gonna. If you found this video, okay. Why can't I say this? What's wrong? I can't do a merch plug because I'm literally wearing 2 pieces of merch that we don't sell. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. Ugh! Bro, fuck this video.